Plantar fasciitis is one of the most common causes of heel pain, and as massage therapists, we're here to help you understand what's happening and how we can work together to improve it. The plantar fascia is a thick band of tissue that connects your heel bone to your toes, and when this tissue becomes inflamed, we call it plantar fasciitis. It's like a rubber band that's been stretched too far and starts to develop these tiny tears. This happens because your feet act as shock absorbers for your entire body. Every step you take puts pressure on them. Plantar fasciitis develops when this daily stress becomes too much for your feet to handle. When it comes to your feet, it truly is a chain reaction. And in the case of plantar fasciitis, we're looking at what we call the posterior chain. And the posterior chain is a continuous line of muscle groups and tissues that run from your glutes down through your hamstrings, calf muscles, Achilles tendon, and finally down to your plantar fascia. When one area is tight or weak, it puts extra stress on the others. And this is where the magic of massage therapy comes in. We regularly utilize several techniques that can help relieve your pain and promote healing. Circulatory work is often where we start. We can use warm towels to help prepare the soft tissue for deeper work. This begins to relax tight tissues and increase blood flow, making other techniques more effective. Think of it as warming up clay before molding it. Muscle stripping is when we apply firm, consistent pressure along the length of your muscles to release tension and promote better blood flow. Neuromuscular release, which is when we locate specific trigger points that are causing pain and apply focused pressure to release them. Contract, relax, PNF, proprioceptive neuromuscular release. This is another technique where you'll contract your muscle, then relax it, allowing us to help it stretch further than it could on its own. Cross-fiber friction is a technique that helps separate muscle and tendon fibers and promote the healing by working across the tissue rather than along it. With consistency and the right combination of these massage techniques, many people experience significant improvement in their plantar fasciitis symptoms. If you are struggling with any of these symptoms, please give us a call. We'd love to get you on the schedule with one of our licensed massage therapists.